I got me a little 2000 bug, boy. So I was playing with it. I was gonna keep it, right? Cause I got two of them. So I was playing with it with some 320 today. So I was like, I'm just gonna go ahead and bang this girl this week and get it out of him. You feel me? I ain't gonna jam it or nothing. So I got it open so it can dry. And I'm gonna come in and prep it tomorrow morning. And then let it dry. I'm gonna tape it up. Thursday, what it? This thing finna get some understand me. So this is the car I'm telling you about. That I reviewed tomorrow. But I'm gonna let y'all see it. I was around and watching and playing with it. So I'm gonna come back with some 600-800 tomorrow. Quick fast. I'm gonna do it quick fast because it's a budget paint job. We're not gonna play around. We ain't gonna do no jam. And what I mean by the jam is, what's on the inside of the door. Trunk, hood, all of it. So we ain't spraying none of that. If anybody wants to purchase this vehicle, that's gonna be on them. If they hear about it, I will have some leftover material that I can give them. You know what I mean? So, yeah, $3,000, turbo car, boom, boom, boom. Let's go. So I got it on sand it down, and I'm gonna take it out here and wash it with scrub pad, let it dry, take them up, dry. We'll try to bang it tomorrow morning, so we can go ahead and get out of here. It's a lot of stuff that I didn't do with this particular car because it's just, it's one of my little get around cars, and just laying around, needs to be painted. I got a little time, so I'm just going ahead and paint it and put it up for sale as is and go from there. I got it wet sand it down, wet sand it. There's some bad prep in there, but like I say, it's just a car that we just gonna spank it, and then we're gonna get rid of it, get somebody a good little car. So when it dry, about an hour, when it dry, I take it in the booth, tape it up, and in the morning, we're gonna spank it. So I got it all taped up. I was gonna come paint it in the morning, but it's real early in the day, so I'm gonna just go ahead and get it out of the way. You feel me? And see how it look. And if it don't look what it look like, then it'll be what it is. Cause we only gonna bang it one time. We ain't gonna worry about imperfections. This is a car that's gonna be sold to whoever wants to buy it. So with that being said, let me go and cut this thing off, wipe it down, spray the flow down, and get to it. So I got it base. So we about to put some clear on it. It's okay, you know what I mean? You can see the imperfections in it. Like I say, we just gonna sell the car, get it done, you feel me? But I'm finna clear it in a minute, and then we'll holler back. I'm swearing. So I got it painted. Look pretty good. I see one spot I really don't like, but it's okay. This is a budget paint job. This is a $200 paint job. Only because the clear was $179. I had to buy tack rag and stuff like that, but I got $200 in this paint job. A little time. We're gonna tint the windows. We're gonna swap the seats out with some more seats that's in good shape. And that's gonna be the end of this one.